Dear students, I am your social teacher, EMVM School, Yelahanka Newton. Children, today's lesson History, second lesson Geographical features and Prehistoric India. In this lesson, teaching points Physical division, where did the prehistoric man live? Knowledge of fire, drawings found in caves, the changing environment, prehistoric age, also can divide to three types: old stone age and middle stone age, new stone age. Old stone age also can divide to three types: early old stone age, middle old stone age and late old stone age. So these are most important teaching points in this lesson. Children, so first physical geography, physical features of our country. Already we know that children, India is a subcontinent occupying a huge area in the southern part of the Asian continent, as it is surrounded by a water on three sides and land on one side. It is a peninsula. We know that. See our map, three sides only water body is there, only northern part only, so there is a land connecting area. India shares its boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. So see the our neighboring countries. Totally now 28 states and 9 union territories, and national capital region is New Delhi. Our geographical environment influence to human life, especially geographical features and human life, so very close relationship. India geographical features divide into four types. Firstly, the Himalayan mountains. See the children, Himalayan mountains, Gangetic plain in northern, the Deccan plateaus, the coastal region in the south. So northern side, especially northern side, mountain peaks in the world. Which is the mountain peaks? Mount Everest. They help to preserve the safety and security of India. Other countries invaded our country, so there is a protection purpose. So this is control the Siberian cold winds also. So any other countries people occupied our country, so there is a wall, just like a wall, so it can control the other occupying, so there is a safety of our country, security also can given. The other countries people have been mainly from the northwestern side through the valley of Bolan and Khyber passes. So Bolan and Khyber passes. The Gangetic plain suitable for fertility and most of the production can give paddy, wheat production. In ancient time, many civilization, already in Indian civilization, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro. So where was Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilization start? The Indus Valley and Vedic period flourished here in this northern side only. Many battles have been fought from time to time to establish control over this area. Many fertile, especially Gangetic plain suitable for production of food grains, especially paddy and wheat production. Children, see the children in the river Narmada. So that is a separate from India into two. Malwa plateaus are central highlands and the Deccan plateaus in the south. Myanmar and the Guptas ruled in this area. These two areas of ancient India, the coastal line totally. So how many kilometer in coastal line? Last video I told that. So 6,100 kilometer of coastal area. Three sides only water body is there. So that is only 6,100 kilometer. The eastern coastal line is called the Coromandel coast and Konkan and Malabar coast. Coromandel, Konkan and Malabar coast. The numerous ports on this coastline, you go to 10th standard, all the details. So Coromandel coast, Konkan coast, Malabar coast, where it is all on the map, and how many pores is there, so which is the natural pores, which is the man-made pores, all the related information can give to next class. Had attracted the Roman from immemorial ancient time trade relationship, especially our country ancient time to now also can demanding, especially so there is a spices through the sea route. As a result, in south part many kingdoms, Cholas, Cheras, Pandyas also ruled. India's culture flourished on these countries. So this is our country, so all the physical division, so there's an importance, go to higher class, so deeply you can understand. So next topic is the prehistoric period. Children, what is prehistoric period? The period before a discovery of the art of writing is called the prehistoric age. Prehistoric period that begins with the appearance of the human being about 5 million years ago. Children, so 5 million years ago, already first lesson you know that which are the sources is the literary sources, oral sources, so can give the information, especially archaeological sources, so can give the all the prehistoric period, so which one monument or coins all are can given the prehistoric period evidence. So how many million years? 5 million years ago the finished with the intention of writing about 6,000 years ago. And before there is no literary work is not there, so complete in 6,000 years ago. Children, already you learn in 6th standard after prehistoric, which includes the Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. So Bronze age is the first period of proto history and also called the metal ages. So you study in 6th standard, all the information already you know that. Marked by significant technology and social advance, the Bronze age was important step in evolution of European society, especially we know that. So first early people many metal can use, so how to use all the information can give. Children, prehistory do not have any find evidence of the linguistic development or use of script. Any linguistic language is not there, so we are only sources, archaeological sources only can give the information. Which script, which age we do not get any written records for the study of history of this period? One question came, children, how do we get to know about the people and their life in the prehistoric age? So how to get, so all know about the people, so in prehistorical age? Many scholars, many archaeologists also, many scholars says that who study of this period are called archaeologists. In this age only can read and so can understand, archaeologist only can understand and starting the study. Man was a nomadical and indulged in hunting and food gathering, fertility, all the details given to some tools created and used by these people. Probably they used tools made of stones, wood and animals bones. So all the information only archaeologist only can give in the information. Before people lot of weapons or animals, wood, all the information only can given to archaeologist. Today only tools made up of stones have survived to today, providing you as the sources for study. So sources only can today lot of changing is there, technology also change, but early stage prehistoric period man, what are the invention, what are the discovered the tools anyone, so now some changes only. Children, human beings in the prehistoric age uses stone tools to peel, to skin and separate the flesh and bones of animals to scrap the bark of trees and to cut fruits and root. This is a prehistoric man so can use. So nowadays we are using knife. Before only bones and very only stone tools only can use, children. Only stone tools, different types of stone tools. The people used to create handless out of animals. The prehistory he can call periods people use of many spears and arrows hunted animals. They used axes to chop down trees and cut them up into the logs. So this is the main weapons of the prehistoric period human beings can use. So sometimes can survive the life also. These tools only can helpful to prehistoric people, children. So where did the prehistoric man lives? Any idea? Prehistoric man lived in Bhimbetaka, Hunasagi in India. There are many other sites have been found. So not only Bhimbetaka or Hunasagi, many areas and many sites also have been find out. All sites have discovered along the bank of rivers and lakes. Main weapons of the ages stone tools. So that is a serve to human life and protect from wild animals. So that is a serves to human life and protect from wild animals. You can think it, children. All the prehistoric people only discovered anyone. So there is a archaeological sources available only river bank of rivers. So what's the main intention? So agriculture also, any industry, anyone activities. So there is a bank of rivers only before people can do anyone activities. So there is a bank of rivers. Children, prehistoric periods such industrial sites we got to see stone tools around rocky areas. Where is the rocky area surrounding? Only stone tools available. Available sources given in the information, many residential and industrial areas identified. So prepare lot of stones tools and heaps of broken rock. What we understand this area? Industrial area, people prepare stones tools. Now different types of stone tools we are preparing scientifically. So iron tools, different type. But before only the prehistoric period people so can produce only stone tools. Children, next topic is knowledge of fire. Children, first we don't know the fire, so all the people so cannot prepare the food also, food item also, food can prepare. So fire we can't identify. Children, sign of ashes have been obtained in the caves of Kurnool. Prehistoric period people reveal the knowledge and the use of fire by the people of the stone age. So stone age people only can reveal the fire. They are used in fire prepare, cook food and protect from wild animal. So only can protect their life for wild animals. So drawing found in caves. Where was the drawing found in these caves? Some historians got to see some drawings in many caves in which people lived in the Stone Age. Such cave drawing can be seen in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. So the available drawings, wild animals and hunting. So before the people know that only hunting, that is the main occupation, and so wild animals. So can see the wild animals so can return. So that is only available of the drawing found in caves only. So next topic is the changing environment. Children, 12,000 years ago, one major change in our environment. You can imagine suddenly the earth's temperature began to gradually increase. This led to the development of grassland in many places, not only many places. birds and animals began to multiply in unresented, so we are not expected. Numbers of animals like deer, elk, goat, sheep, and others in this grassland. Humans and animals observe and influence the nature. So next continue the food habits also, and the way these animals multiplied this period, only temperature and nature only can influence to birds and human life. Someone captured some of these animals and brought them up. Next animals and can started animal and husbandry work, and dairy farming also can started. Some grassland also can grow naturally. The people learn to use food cereals like rice, wheat, and barley obtained from such plants. So can learn. So changing of the environment, suddenly all the people can learn new things only. So can changing the environment. Children, some archaeologists discussed and refer in this period. So call it in different names. The 2 million years ago, oldest age is called Old Stone Age. So what we call Old Stone Age. This period over 12,000 years. This classified into the three stages, children. So firstly, early Stone Age, middle Stone Age, and late Old Stone Age. Children, Middle Stone Age, the period from 12,000 years to around 10,000 years, called the Middle Stone Age. Children, Middle Stone Age, the period from 12,000 years to around 10,000 years is called the Middle Stone Age. This period, people use tools, use very small, and hence they are called delicate stone tools or delicate age. The people use the tools only wood and bows. They used these tools as axes and saw. So this is the main weapons and main tools can use. Children, next new stone age began after 10,000 years. The stone tools of this period are very different. These tools were bright and sharp edges. The people used stone for grinding leaves and herbs and grains and cereals. So now what are the discovered on the part of and before storing the food grains, especially mud parts. They were also used for cooking rice, wheat, and other grains and cereals. Next, people can learn, so can wearing the weaving clothes as it's same. Some technically development now, so we are lead a standard life. So weave the clothes and different type of pottery work and steel vessels also can prepare. So can lead a standard of life and cultured life, human life discovered, so improved day by day. So our country's people also in after prehistoric age, so learn very interestingly and can improve also. Children, so this lesson is completed, so can give the notes. Please complete the classwork. Thank you.